Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are diving into the world of wheels of generosity, using your used car to make a positive impact in a world where acts of kindness can often seem few and far between. The decision to donate your used car emerges as a powerful gesture of generosity with the potential to make a lasting impact. By choosing to part ways with a vehicle you can no longer need, you unlock a world of possibilities for individuals and communities in need. Your used car becomes more than just a mode of transportation. It becomes a catalyst for positive change and a symbol of compassion. The vehicle of generosity set in motion by donating your used car have the power to transform lives in profound ways. For many individuals and families facing financial hardship or mobility challenges, access to reliable transportation can be a barrier to achieving their goals and aspirations. Whether it is a single parent striving to secure employment, a student pressure pursuing education opportunities, or a senior citizen in need of medical care, your donating car can provide the mean to overcome these obstacles and forget a path toward a brighter future. Beyond the immediate recipient, the impact of your generosity reverberates throughout communities, creating ripple effect of positively and empowerment. By providing transportation solution to those in need, you contribute to economic mobility, social inclusion, and community relations. Employment opportunities become more accessible, educational pursuits more attainable, and essential services more readily available. In this way, your decision to donate your used car transacts individual acts of kindness, becoming a driving force for positive change on a larger scale. Moreover, by choosing to donate your used car, you contribute to environmental sustainability efforts. Older vehicles are often less fuel efficient and more polluting, contributing to air pollution and carbon emission. By removing these vehicles from the road and replacing them with more environmentally friendly alternatives, you help reduce your carbon footprint and promote a healthier planet for future generations. The process of donating your used car is simpler than you might think. Thanks to the numerous charities and non-profit organizations dedicated to facilitating such donation, these organizations handle all aspects of donation process from arranging pickup to handing in paperwork, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience for donors. By partnering with reputable organizations, you can confident that your donation will be used effectively to benefit those in need. In conclusion, the decision to donate your used car is a powerful expression of compassion, generosity, and community spirit. By putting the vehicle wheels of generosity in motion, you can make a positive impact that reverberates far beyond the confines of your own life. So consider using your used car to make a difference today, because together we can drive change and create a brighter future for all. If you found this video more effective, then give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for more interesting videos.